What's up, guys? Welcome to the first live stream of the Fomo Factory. If you're watching this back, welcome to the first watching back of the live stream of the Fomo Factory. I don't know. In this video, I would like to talk a little bit about the community portfolio. And I got some messages from some people that it's not the best time to go live because people are working, sleeping, whatever. So I will do this more on a different time. So let me know what time's best. But I would like to take a look at the crypto portfolio that we are building together because we need to remove coins from that portfolio. And if we are going to remove some coins from that portfolio, I need your input. So therefore I figured, man, I just regularly go live. And at a certain point, I'll notice what the best time is for that. So sorry if you couldn't make it. Happy you watch it back. Because we have too many coins in our crypto portfolio, and you can actually win this crypto portfolio, right? If you're watching this video for the first time, or you watch my channel for the first time, if you're like, win a crypto portfolio, what up with that? So how does the challenge work and how can you win the crypto portfolio? YouTubers claim to know what the best altcoins are, so I will set up 4 crypto portfolios. An Alex Becker portfolio, a BitBoy portfolio, a CryptoBand portfolio, and a community portfolio made by you guys. There will be 10 coins in each portfolio and I will dollar cost a total of $1,500 in every one of them. Remember, we try to buy around the bottom of this bear market to sell in the next bull market, so the gains could be enormous. Once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I will give away the portfolio with the biggest returns to the Fomo fam, aka you guys. How to get involved? Be a subscriber of this channel and leave a comment every now and then. Further instructions will follow. And you can check out every video related to this challenge in the playlist on my channel. Now let's slowly FOMO into crypto the right way. So, now you know what the plan is. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. More than 1,000 subscribers. It's going in an amazing speed. So thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. You have to be a subscriber, like you saw in the intro, to actually win your crypto portfolio, right? So just be a part of the FOMO fam. You are welcome to join. First, before we're going to take a look at the crypto portfolio, I would like to take a look at the crypto market. And this is my trading challenge on Fairdesk, and it's going pretty well so far. Currently in a Bitcoin short because I thought like, yeah, it might retrace and a little unrealized loss, but you know, we'll see. But I started like a week, 2 weeks ago with $170 and I now have $377, so more than doubled my money belonging, shorting. So if you want to do the same, links in the description for you to also join the platform. It's really nice, but the crypto market is not looking that bad, to be honest. We have to see where it goes, but I can better show you on TradingView, by the way. The crypto market is looking quite nice. Like I said in all my videos, basically, time is kind of running out. Like, we have this diagonal legacy line right here that started in November or so when the bear market really started, and it's going all the way to where we are right now. But we have also this horizontal line, and this is very strong support for Bitcoin. As you see, since June, basically, it's bouncing off the support, and it just won't break for now. The question is, will it hold or will it break? Because in a couple of days, maybe today, maybe, but somewhere in the first 2 weeks of October at least, it's make or break time for Bitcoin. Are we going to break to the downside or the upside? Whichever it is, it's a very important line, because or we finally break this bear market trend line, or we break this very big support line that can take us down way further. So yeah, I'm cautious right now. I'm cautiously, patiently waiting, just waiting. I don't know. Nobody knows, right? So I have to see. But for now, Bitcoin is doing good, and a lot of motherfucking volume is coming in, by the way. Look, if we zoom out, okay, it's not that much, but if we compare to the last couple of, this year, basically, we didn't have that much buying volume in the whole year yet. So that's really what stands out to me, right? Like, the last time we had that much volume was in March 2020, even not in the bull run. Wow. So it's going insane. Things are it's looking better. Then what am I doing a short? Well, it's just ranging right? It's just in this range right here. If we put it on the hourly, Bitcoin is just sitting in its range, and sometimes goes a little above, sometimes goes a little below, but basically it's doing this. So open a short around this area right here, and yeah, we have to see. I have set my stop loss. Maybe I'll lose a little money, but chances are pretty big that it comes down first a little bit, and I have a little more money. So yeah, that's what we are doing, right? Let's take a look at the portfolios, what it's all about. And I haven't seen if there are any people watching yet. I'm gonna take a look later. If so, then I'm gonna try to communicate with you about what we should do with the community portfolio. For now, we have a couple of portfolios. So Alex Becker, his portfolio already dollar costed a little bit into Falconforge, Kusama, Super, and Altura. For the rest, I'm not sure if these are the projects that are going to stay in his portfolio. So I'm waiting for him to make more calls, because Falconforge, yeah, low mid cap, Kusama mid cap, high cap, Super Farm very low cap, Altora micro cap. But I want some really DGNS plays here, and we have Gala, we have like Ultra. I don't know yet. I want to see what else he is going to say. So I cannot buy it all, because if he makes better calls, then I already have these tokens, right? So, but for now, yeah, okay, it's going pretty well. I'm up 20% on Falconforge, but for now, it's like this is a long term. So what happens in the meantime doesn't really matter. I'm not trading these portfolios, right? Which I maybe should do, because if I like, you know, invested everything in Falconforge and it does a 3x overnight for some reason. Yeah, it's usually where you want to take some profits, right? But then the challenge is not about who is the best crypto YouTuber or who can make the best portfolios. Then the challenge is about me, which portfolio I can trade best. And I don't want to make this about myself, but about the people calling these portfolios. So yeah, it's purely investing and with pain in my heart, not taking profits, I think. Unless you guys feel like, dude, you should really take some profits right now. We can do this in good, well, we'll fix it together then. So this is Alex Becker's portfolio. I think the D-Race should be there though. So I have made a Excel sheet where I write down which coins I really think should stay. Well, in this case, we already have Falconforge, so that should stay. We already have Kusama, we already have Super, and we already have Altura. I think D-Race should also stay, because he always talks about D-Race, and I must say that it's looking more and more attractive to buy D-Race right now. When he first started talking about it, I felt like, do you even know what you were talking about? Because the tokenomics were not that great. But now market cap $60 million compared to $28 million fully diluted. So that's not that bad, right? Here the market cap is $9 million though. So you always want to check fact, like, okay, what's the case? Okay, so 41 million tokens in circulation. Here there are 68 million. So anyway, it's micro cap, but you always want to check like what's the correct one, because CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko usually don't have it completely right. I think CoinMarketCap is more accurate than CoinGecko though, but always check out like, okay, what's right? Because otherwise you are messing it up for yourself. So don't rely on just this, for example. But that's his portfolio. We have a crypto band portfolio, which I really am waiting on for more calls, because yeah, I think we should, they could have good calls. Benter, especially Ren, make some calls sometimes that go absolutely moon or get absolutely wrecked. And he gave so many calls in the bull market, which wrecked. Too many to name, right? And you can say Luna, but nobody expected that. But there were also a lot of other projects that just really died. But he made a lot of right calls as well. And I think if he makes right calls in the bear market, so we can invest that, so we can ride it up to the bull market, yeah, then we can do really well. And what I already have for crypto banter is near. What I definitely want to keep: Render, Kujira, and Wester. Probably also STG, Stargate, and GNS. These are called by Miles. I like what Miles does. Maybe also Cosmos, you know, Atom, but Yeah, it's way too high cap, by the way. I don't know. I want, you know, these portfolios must 100x. We can do that with $3 billion market cap coins, right? So I'm waiting, especially for Miles to make more calls. So yeah, still have to wait on that. We also have a BitBoy portfolio. I don't like what he calls, but yeah, he's basically the only one that does that kind of stuff right now. And he's one of the bigger YouTubers as well, right? So he has Sandbox, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Algorand, ApeCoin, Filecoin, HBAR, IOTA, and Ravencoin. I see none of these coins do more than a 20x in the next bull run. To be completely honest, none. And 20x is the max, by the way. We should have a great bull run, but yeah, I don't know. These are all high cap. Like the lowest one here is a mid high cap, right? How can he win? So his portfolio, if you listen to BitBoy's calls, it's like, yeah, you probably are safe, but you won't make great money, right? You can basically name everything in the top 100 and be safe, right? That's basically what he does. Okay, so but cool, we got his portfolio. Maybe if he makes some other coins calls that I feel like, oh, okay, you're starting to get some risky stuff going on right here, then we maybe can take a look at that. But our focus is the community portfolio, because the portfolio with the most gains will win. Okay, maybe it's Alex Becker, but it's our job to make the best portfolio, because if Alex Becker's portfolio does 100x, great. But if we can build a portfolio that does, for the matter of speak, 500x, right, then you win that portfolio. So we must really make the best out of it. Now, I already got some comments on what I should delete, and I deleted some out of my own initiative. Most is still here. I already invested in one. That was Soul Chicks. Why? I feel like Soul Chicks is a really good project. Market cap, fully diluted market cap is really terrible still, but we are dollar costing, right? So it's not that big of a problem in this case. Oh, shit. I knew about Soul Chicks like half a year ago when it launched on Star Launch or some Solana launchpad, and there was so much hype. But the thing is that, you know, we have these unlocks, and that's really bad. And you'll notice the price, right? It went from 17 cents. No, it's not even trackable right here. The 14th of December, it was 50 cents, like really 50 cents, all the way to a tenth of a cent right now. So if you, like, that's a lot with these newer projects. If you get in right before when it get launched, especially if they're released on these launch pads, you get wrecked. Just participate in the launch pad itself, right? So then you can get to buy the private round, the pre-sale, then you can get a good price. But now it came down so much, it looks completely dead. And then you want to take a look like, okay, let's check out their Twitter, right? So, why do I get the hashtag right here and here? So then you want to take a look at the Twitter. They're followed by a lot of guys I follow. That's a really good sign. They have some important eyes on them, right? Also, are they still tweeting a lot? Yeah, they're still out here in September, right? So that's good. That's what I want to see. Then you want to take a look at the Telegram. Is the community still posting? Is the community still active? Are they still believing in the project? And of course, take a look at the vesting schedule of such a project, because you do not want to, you know, get wrecked because there are just too many tokens coming out. So sometimes you have to look like, okay, where can you find something like that? I think Papers, maybe Pitch Deck. Pitch Deck usually has something like that. So let me take a look. Is there a vesting schedule right here? I really hope there is, like vesting. And you then just want to search for vesting. Right, here we go. So that's the vesting schedule. When did they get released? Well, they got listed in CoinGecko around, let's say, a year ago, almost a year ago, right? That was a TGE. So there was already 5% of the pre-sale unlocked, and then 6 months for the private investors, they get nothing. And then after 9 months, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, Okay, it's really not 100% clear, but I get a line harvesting over 15 months. So the private sale people and also the private pre-sale is dumping on us, right? Because they are still getting their tokens. Public, not. These, they already have it. Ecosystem rewards like staking and all that, doesn't matter. We get staking as well. Team, they get a cliff and a line harvesting. So team is dumping on us. Private sales dumping on us. Maybe there are some partners that are dumping on us. Treasury advisors are dumping on us, right? So these are all dumping on us right now. And therefore you do not want to go all in right now, but you do not want to miss out because even the fully diluted market cap is really low, right? So you do want to be involved a little bit. So yeah, I felt like Solchix could be definitely a good play. So that's in the portfolio. That's what I added. For the rest, this is the portfolio, but I also posted this in the Telegram group. Links in the description if you haven't joined it. So, you know, be part of it. And in my opinion, I'm already, again, working on a list on what should stay. And that should be as funds. And I will give you my underlying reasons for every one of them. And I need your input right now, right? But as fund, why? I believe that crypto gaming is going to be very big. But these, you know, the games itself, they have a hype or they die or people just, you know, get bored. Like even Call of Duty games, they get you bored at a certain point, right? Therefore, you want to invest in crypto gaming, but something more than that. CeFi releases the best games, right? So if one game isn't like, oh, then it doesn't matter, they release the next game. I believe that that will continue to live. Cake, I have that as a high cap. Because I believe that the Binance Smart Chain, it's cheap, it's fast, everybody uses it. Like the Binance Smart Chain isn't going anywhere. And therefore I feel like we need a DEX. And you know, Pancake Swap is the leading DEX on the Binance Smart Chain. So therefore, I believe in Cake, and Cake has a lot of utilities. They have the lotteries, you have a launchpad right there, you can stake it as well. The tokenomics are not that bad. So I feel like, yeah, should be there. Engine Starter should be there. That's a really high risk, high reward play. It's also a launchpad, but this launchpad has a market cap of $7 million out of the 12. In perspective, CeFi has 70 million, and even this is, you know, almost 10x from its all-time high. I feel like Engine Starter could be the type of project that could or die or do a 50 or 100x in the bull run. And they're still going strong. They haven't the best releases now, but it's hard for such a project. Like, projects don't want to release in a bear market. They don't have the funds. They don't, you know. So it's hard. But they still keep going, right? So I feel like, yeah, that's a very good play, in my opinion. So yeah, definitely check it out. And the tokenomics are quite nice as well, by the way, so I like it. Also, Trader Joe, I believe in the Avalanche chain, and therefore you have to believe in the DEX as well. And this is a DEX with a $70 million market cap. Look at PancakeSwap, for example, 700 million. So 10 times as low. Well, I don't think that Avalanche is 10 times as bad as the Binance Smart Chain and the DEX as well. So valued a lot. I also got Solchix, we just spoke about that, and Polkadex. And Polkadex is they release on KuCoin, and they have a lot of hype. They have a lot of utilities. It's a really big project. It's just getting really undervalued. And I think Polkadex should definitely be there with a $9 million market cap. Look what the all-time high market cap for Polkadex was sitting at 74 million, and then there wasn't even a product yet. So, you know, what could this do in the in the bull market? Plus, it's sitting, well, basically at its all-time low. If you look what the all-time low is, $1.24 was around 2 months ago. It's now sitting at 130. So we can get this very cheap right now, and I'm really having the urge to buy this right now, basically. So that's what, in my opinion, should at least stay. For the rest, yeah, I have some opinions here and there, but I really want to know it from you guys. So I'm gonna take a look. Let me know. Yeah, there are some people here. Thanks for joining. Okay, at R-Fox, man. R-Fox. I've got that in my own portfolio, man. Yeah, that's with the red logo, right? Gaming. Oh no, this is about retail shopping in the metaverse or something. Oh, sorry, it's with an F. Right, so let's take a look. Yeah, R-Fox. I think this is a great project. I think this is a very undervalued project, and I can definitely add this to my portfolio. Why don't I had this in my gaming, but what? Oh, I had VFox. This is RFox. Oh, cool. Same project though, other side token, but it's sitting also very low. If you look where it came from, like at 0.0, almost 1 cent. Well, it came from like 30 cents, more than 30 cents, from 37 cents. So yeah, yeah, RFox really good. I am, you know, fuck, I want to add this. I'm going to add this for now, but I can't keep adding stuff. So going to the community portfolio. Okay, thanks JKX75 for the input. Because yes, this is a very great project. This is really, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Metaverse is really going to be a very big thing in my opinion. But we now need to focus on what should go from this portfolio, right? So please guys, if you're looking at this, we need to build the best portfolio. You are getting this portfolio in, if Bitcoin hits 100K, the portfolio with the most gains goes to you, right? So let's make this most gains, but really I need to know what needs to go from this, right? Kesaf Isar, if I pronounce it right, if not, sorry, but you say killed protocol, killed protocol, but now we're gonna add stuff instead of remove stuff, man. That's not what we're gonna do. But kill protocol, what is it? Circulating supply, total supply. Okay, that's looking pretty perfectly fine. Market cap, it is low mid cap basically. It's 50 cents, came from $8. Okay, it's sitting far from its all-time high, so that's pretty good. What is it? I don't know it. It's a blockchain identity protocol for issuing sovereign, I don't, fuck, anonymous variable credentials and decentralized. Oh fuck, man, this is hard stuff. All right, experiment with kill demo client and recast play money for the faucet. It's a blockchain. It's a layer 1, from what I see. Is it? I think it's a layer 1. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a layer 1, right? Can I find it right here? Let me search for killed. Oh, it's not on DeFi Llama though. Is it a layer 1? Killed. It's not here. Weird. Okay. I'm gonna keep this on my radar. Defina Finance. Bruh, stop mentioning coins that have to... I need to fucking remove shit right now. Because again, okay guys, listen. Also, if you're watching this back after the live stream, leave your comments. Please interact with me. I need, you know, we can't do this shit forever, right? It's so hard. We have to choose 10 out of a lot of good stuff. So it's so hard, right? I already got people like, why did you remove that? Yeah, I have to remove something, right? So yeah. Did you mention Loop again? I made a video about Loop Network on my other channel on Fomotion because I really think Loop is a very good risk-reward play. Yeah. Whoa. What do you say? Remove the Rockstar Doge. What Rockstar Doge? I don't have Rockstar Doge right here. Do I? What is Rockstar Doge? Huh? Oh, this is Rockstar Doge. What the fuck is this? But this is not in the portfolio. Well, if it was in the portfolio, I would have removed it. I think, because I don't know what the... What is Rockstar Doge? Oh, I think I know. I have reviewed this on my other channel once. Yeah, but these are these quick plays, right? But these are no long-term holds. So, Defina Finance, isn't that gaming as well? Defina, yeah, it's gaming, right? Defina Metaverse ecosystem, yeah. Fina Finance. Yeah, this is a really good project. I know this project, and I think I had this in my in my portfolio. Look, this is looking pretty good. Looks a lot like oh shit, Wonder Hero, another game that I used to play, that I invested a lot of motherfucking money in, by the way. But Wonder Hero kinda died, man. It's too bad. But the Fina Finance, yeah. Okay, fuck. 1.5 fully diluted. Oh, now it's less. What? Did I just burn something or something? What the fuck is this? Okay, cool. Market cap 800,000 out of the 1.5 million. Shit, that's insane. That's insane. Well, the price keeps going down. Whoa. Look, this is the kind of project that you want to check out. Like, why is this so low? And why did the price all completely went from $9 to 1 cent? Like, that's 900 times from its all-time high. Like, what the fuck? Like, okay. Like, if this is a dead project, then you don't want to pay attention, of course. But if this is still going strong and there were just some like really bad vestings and people dumping and all that, and they're still going on, yeah, then this might be a really sick ass play. So okay, let's take a real quick look, because this is really getting my interest right here. So let me take a real quick look, and then we're going to remove some stuff, guys. We need to remove some stuff. But where in the fuck is that Twitter? Because I'm getting only hashtags, and this is like the fucking bots and all that. Come on, man, where is that Twitter? Okay, whatever, we go to the website that will redirect us to that Twitter. Here we go, Fina Finance. So, okay, cool. Also, got the right eyes on them. Engine starter, spin top, Cedify, cryptograph ratings, Dutch crypto investors, and Johnny from Crypto Banter. So that's good. They are posting stuff regularly. Okay. Spintop, by the way, is a project you definitely check it out. Spintop is a really fucking gem as well. I think that maybe should also be in that portfolio, but that's not up to me. But check out Spintop. It's a launchpad without tiers, right? So you need a certain tier to, you have to have 1,000 tokens. That's like nothing, $10. Then you can participate in new launches. Also has a Gamepedia. You can stake your Spintop tokens to get other gaming crypto tokens in return. They're working now on whatever this is, Guildmaker. And this is so low cap. Yeah, I love this. Okay, but the Fina Finance, this is really looking interesting. This is really looking interesting, if you ask me. Let's take a quick look at the Telegram. These are the announcements. I don't want announcements. I want the group. Where's the group? How do you find a group? Chat. Where can I find the chat? Is this the chat? This is no chat. Yeah. Yeah, I already know about the Fina. So, but the thing is that I haven't paid attention lately, and the tokenomics are just really surprisingly nice. So, where's their chat, man? I know they have a chat because they are responding right here. So, maybe I can find it on their website by... Yeah, it takes me to the fucking... Oh, wait, maybe I'm just an idiot and it's here. It's not here. Ah, too bad, man. I don't know what it... Oh, wait, it's here. Okay, so, let me take a look. It's 30, it's early, yes, okay, it's 29. People are active here. People are pretty active here. Okay, 28. This is not bad, this is not bad. People agree that I'm gonna add this to the portfolio? Yeah? Because this is, I think, like, yeah. Okay, Fina, we are getting somewhere. Fuck yourself. Fina. but now it's getting harder because now we are even adding more, right? Because we have this right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? We're gonna let a lot go, guys. Fuck, I'm so sorry for the people that called all the other coins. It's now already, by the way, very hard pumping, so I don't know if we should get it right now. Check Satoshi Island STC. Okay, cool, thanks Alex. That's the last one that I'm gonna check, by the way. And then we are going to remove some stuff. I hope you agree on that, because now we have to buy some stuff. STC. Satoshi. Oh shit, I'm fucking it up. Satoshi Island. $1. Okay, supply. I don't know, 21 million. Okay, I get the concept. It went from $12 to $1. Okay, wait, I want to check it out right here. They usually have the tokenomics more on point. Satoshi Island. Fully diluted 24 million. Fully diluted, okay, yeah, okay. Okay, okay, we have to take a look at what the circulating supply is, because I have no idea. In the meantime, while the website is loading. Oh, I have heard of this, I think. I think I've heard of this. Whoa. Oh, whoa. They really have, you can really go there? But what can you do there? Okay, cool. all right. Gonna take a deeper look into that. One thing I want to check out for this project is let me get rid of all this stuff right now. It's getting messy as hell. So one thing I would like to check out, Twitter. Are they followed by some serious people? Again, I'm getting to the hashtag and not to that Twitter account. So stupid. Where's that Twitter account? I don't know. Let's take a look at the Telegram. Satoshi Island, because I want to take a look at shit. Man, I'm in a fuck up mode, man. All right, circulating supply, circulating. 1.4 million in circulation. Right, but there is a lot of discussion going on about that. No market cap info. Up. Coins in circulation. Market cap, circulating supply, 1.4 million. Okay, yeah, 1.4 million out of the 20 million. So that's not good. At least it depends on how it get invested, but that's not really, you know, that could mean a lot of downside for the project. But therefore we want to first take a look at the white paper, like how is investing. Maybe it's not that bad, yeah, I'm gonna take a good look at this as well. Okay, let's go back to the crypto portfolio, because guys, now it's time to remove some coins. So in my opinion, in my honest, humble, stupid Dutch guyish opinion, we should, like I said, keep S-Fund, Cake, Engine Starter, Trader Joe, Solchix, Polkadex, and I think we indeed should add the Fina. So, but that means we can only add 3 others, and so since we already have Seedify S-Funds, we don't need NFTs. Because it's basically the same project, and I think if one goes up, the other will go up as well. So that can go, right? Also, I think that yeah, I think this Star Atlas, I don't know who called it, very good project. But if I look at supply versus the or the market cap versus the fully diluted market cap, that's really bad. That's really bad. So I won't be comfortable holding that token, to be completely honest. So in my opinion, we should delete that. But we should delete almost everything in here. So guys, please leave a comment if you're watching this back. If you're in a live stream, leave a live chat. What should go? Name as much as you can, and also please let me know why it should go, right? It really should. It really should. Star Atlas, I'm just removing it. Sorry for the one that called it, but I don't like the tokenomics. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you this. This is the portfolio 1 and 2, right? And can I make this easier for you guys? I can, I think. Okay, so this is the first one, this is the second one. All right, sorry, I need to keep them next to each other for you to read it, right? So these are the portfolios. This is what we have right now. Please take a good look at it. Let me know what has to go. What has to go and why it has to go, right? Please take a good look for 2 minutes so I can pee. You can check out what has to go. I'll be right back. All right, guys, sorry for that. So unprofessional. Right. I hope for the people that are, I'm going to talk a little softer because my kid is sleeping now. I hope for the people also watching this video back that you really leave some comments under this video, what needs to go. Because, yeah, there are so many good projects. And like I said before, like all these high cap projects, they will be there in the next bull run. Like PancakeSwap is not going anywhere. Gala is not going anywhere. These kind of projects are not going anywhere, right? The thing is, they won't 100x in the next bull run, I think. And usually you do not want to have too many low caps in your portfolio because of the risk. But you're not investing, so there's no risk for you, right? You can only win, so you only have the reward if this succeeds. So therefore, I would say, let's not go with too many high caps. And maybe even PancakeSwap should go, right? I love Cake. I can Cake easily do it a 10x. Yeah, but is a 10x enough? You know, we're gonna invest $1,500 in this portfolio, right? If we do a 10x on average, I'm gonna give away $15,000. That's nice. That's nice. But is that all we want from the, you know, the bottom of this bear market to the top of the next bull market? Just a 10x? I don't know. It's hard, man. It's hard. So what has been said? On Atlas, it's the Polis token you should see. It's the governance token. Yeah, okay. But then we're still going to add stuff. And we know that stuff, man. But let's take a real quick look at Paul. Let's start at, let's Dow. Oh, yeah, Paulus. Oh, no. Bye. No. All right. So, damn, shit. The live stream people here are went also for a P, I think, because nobody really said something. Yeah, then I just need your comment below if you're watching this back, man. And I should do this at a better time next time, right? It's not a good time for live streams, but okay. So what I think should go is buy swap. So buy swap, because buy swap is basically pancake swap, but it's not pancake swap. And I think pancake swap is kind of unbeatable, right? So buy swap has to go. It's a nice project, but I don't see it do 100x. Joe could be, Gains Network is probably going to be in the crypto banter portfolio, so we can't have it in our portfolio. Let me take a look what else like that is in anyone else's portfolio. Gala is in Alex Becker's portfolio, so we can't have that as well. Cardano Flux, I don't think so. Immutable Access, it's somewhere. No, it's not somewhere. Ergo, also not. Nervous Network, haven't heard of it, by the way. I have to take a look at it. See the 5 fund, maybe, by the way, it should stay in our portfolio, but there's a big chance it's going into Alex Becker's portfolio, by the way. So no, I'm just gonna remove that from our portfolio. It's already somewhere else. So we could replace S funds by SNFTS, by the way. Could be, right? SNFTS. So yeah, for now, let's replace it. Like, then we still have a different coin, but the same project, basically. I would say Veracity, Terrible Tokenomics, has to go. Like, I'm just doing already some stuff. If you really disagree on something that I did, just leave a comment, let me know. Leave a live chat, leave a comment, whatever, with a very good reason why, right? So we should speed some things up. Toom shares, T-share is, yeah, it was a complete money printer. This is a great project. I'm afraid there is a big chance it's not going to survive the bear market, because at the moment T-share has zero utility. Why am I saying that? Well, you know, it came from far, right? It was more than 20K. It was $24,000. When Toom and Phantom were on pack, it was printing and you got more T-share, right? And you can stake your T-share. And well, the thing is that Phantom is around 22 cents and Toom is hovering around this price for I don't know how long. Look, it came down and it is out of pack since well, I don't know, April, May, March, something around this area right here, depending on what Phantom was back then. Since then, T-share has no utility anymore, right? It's just very cheap. But yeah, I don't know if this is ever getting unpacked. I don't know. I wouldn't bet on it, to be completely honest. So I'm removing this from the community portfolio as well. Oh, sorry. So I'm removing this from the community portfolio as well, right? Very good call, though, by the one that called the coin. But I just don't think, and now we really have to make choices, I don't think it's going to work. Yeah. We already narrow it down a little bit. Let me take a look. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still have to remove 24 coins. 24, and it's already hard now. All right, guys. I'm just doing something sometimes that I feel makes sense, and mainly listen to you guys. So we will do a live stream soon again, where we will try to do it on a better time so that more people can join, so that we can have more interaction about this. And you know, and then I'm gonna set up some polls, man. So people actually have the time to really think about it and fill in the poll. I think we are going to have a already pretty nice portfolio this way, right? Cake, I'm starting to doubt about that because it's still pretty high cap. Ik ben live hoor. So I don't really know. Sorry for that. I don't really know if we should keep that. But yeah, that's what you guys need to let me know, man. I can't make all these decisions by my own. And like Dana, Flux, great projects. Are these 100x projects? No. And should we have the focus to only make a 100x portfolio? No. We have to go with some safe bets, right? Even high caps can go even crazier, right? So yeah, of course, it could be that one of these maybe does completely a terrible, crazy run. But for now, we don't know which one that's going to be. So I would like to leave it here. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions at all, leave a comment. Please like the video, push it into YouTube's algorithm. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel, but you feel like, dude, I would like to win this crypto portfolio, subscribe to the channel, be my guest, be our guest, win the crypto portfolio. And again, I'm leaving it here. Guys, thank you very much. And again, if you don't know what the crypto portfolio challenge was, here we go. So how does the challenge work and how can you win the crypto portfolio? YouTubers claim to know what the best altcoins are, so I will set up 4 crypto portfolios. An Alex Becker portfolio, a BitBoy portfolio, a Crypto Band portfolio, and a community portfolio made by you guys. There will be 10 coins in each portfolio and I will dollar cost a total of $1,500 in every one of them. Remember, we try to buy around the bottom of this bear market to sell in the next bull market, so the gains could be enormous. Once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I will give away the portfolio with the biggest returns to the FOMO fam, aka you guys. How to get involved? Be a subscriber of this channel and leave a comment every now and then. Further instructions will follow. And you can check out every video related to this challenge in the playlist on my channel. Now let's slowly FOMO into